Welcome to this edition of ABI's Quick Bit video series. I'm Lisa Fox with ABI, here with John Syverson with Transition Point. He is a business advisor over there and helps ABI out all the time. And you and I talk a lot about how our members don't know what they don't know. It's kind of like Henry Ford saying, if I'd asked them what they wanted, they would have said a faster horse. And so there are two things that we know that we need to do as a business owner. We need to have a financial plan, we need to have an estate plan. But there's a third thing that I didn't know about until I met you, and that I think a lot of our members don't know about. And tell us about that third leg of the stool.
Okay. Well, we often use a three-legged stool analogy because most people have had a lot of help from a lot of professionals to help build their wealth through proper personal planning, business planning, tax planning, and so on. And then they continue on with that planning as they decide how they want to transfer that wealth, be it in the business, outside the business, that the business is sold, makes no difference. How do we transfer our wealth to the next generation? So those are really two legs of the stool, but by themselves, statistics tell us that family harmony and the family assets, 2/3 of the time are gone by the end of the second generation, and by the end of the third generation, 90% of the time, both the family harmony and the assets are gone. And so we've added a third leg to this stool that complements estate planning and financial planning, and we call that heritage planning. And what heritage planning is designed to do is to prepare the heirs to receive their inheritance, both their financial inheritance and their emotional inheritance. And if we don't prepare the second generation and the third generation to receive both the financial and the emotional inheritance, statistics tell us it all seems to fall apart. And so there are special processes that family business owners can enter into that will promote family unity and family harmony, whether all the family members are in the business or not. And so that's one of the specialties that we bring to the table to complement the existing financial and estate plans. It does not replace them. It adds that third leg to the stool.
Wow, that's fantastic. And something, again, like I said, there's help out there. You don't have to go through this yourself. And I think sometimes when you bring in a third party to walk through the process with you, all parties can really share equally, and they don't feel like they're being pushed into something that, you know, isn't good for them. So great work that you guys are doing. Thanks so much to John Syverson with Transition Point Business Advisors. I'm Lisa Fox with ABI, and join us again next time.